Hello guys, hope you're all doing good. Welcome to the next episode of how to use AEC words in AutoCAD 2022. AutoCAD 2022. Please, today we will be learning how to do grid lines in walls and how to do dimensions inside and outside of the building. Okay, so let's get it started. First, you type XL. First, you type XL. For constructional lines, press on the enter key, click here, release, and click again. So after that, you do the same thing here. Click, release, and click again. Escape. Okay, so after this one, then you highlight the line, the constructional line, you copy, paste it here, paste it, paste it, and the place to do the same to the place, paste it. Okay, so let's do the same thing here. Copy, paste it here, paste it here, and the last one here. Okay, after that, then you escape. Okay, so after doing this, then you come here, home, click here, click on the rectangle, click, release, and find a point and click again. After that, we get the rectangle, so you just highlight the rectangle, offset, O for offset, 900, press on the enter key, 900 again, 900, do it 5 times. Please remember, you do it 5 times. So left with the last one, 5. Okay, we're done. Oh, it seems it left with 1. Okay, so this 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so the last one, 5. Okay, after that, you come here, AEC trim, click on the arrow, search for trim. Yes, trim, click on trim, and you trim the unwanted parts that you don't need. Trim here. Okay, escape. After that, here is our grid lines. These ones are our grid lines. So we don't like it this way, so we want to change the color, the appearance, and everything. So just come here, layer properties, click on layer properties, come here, new layer, click on it. Here we type in our preferred name. Let's use grid lines. Grid lines, come here, come change the color. I mostly use gray color, so click on gray color. Okay, continue, and click on continue. You change it from continue to center. Okay, then we click on OK. After that, we are done. So just close this tab and come and highlight our grid lines. Highlight here too. Okay, so here we come here, layer, click on the layer, come search for grid lines. So here is our grid lines. Click on the grid line. It has given it the changes that you want. Okay, so just highlight these grid lines, move it to the right side or the left side. The place that you place it depends on the place that you put it. So due to the direction I placed it, I'll move it to the right hand side, 75. Press on the enter key. Same applies to here. Move it again, 75, enter. Okay, so we are done for the grid lines. Left with the dimension. As for the dimension, you can use here, click on this arrow to give you all the dimension you need, or you can come here, annotate, click on annotate to give you the dimension that you need and more. So let's use here linear. Okay, so you first do the dimensions for the grid lines. Okay, so you are doing the dimensions for the grid lines. Click, release, click again, and click to paste the dimension for you. So we don't like our dimension this way, so just type in D for dimension. Here's the pop-up. Then we do our changes here. You go to modify, click. Here is the block. We don't like the color to be white, so we just change the color from white to red or any color of your choice. I prefer red, that's why I chose red. So you click here to red, then text. Here you can click on the three dots here, click, come changes for romance. I mostly use romantic, so click apply changes, close, and come to lines. Here is the lines, click, and we change our lines. Our lines are too long, so we don't like it that way, so we just move this one, click on the top arrow of this one, click, drag, or click on it, then it will drag the lines backwards. After that, then you come here, take this arrow, fix length, then click on OK, close this one. So you see our changes are being applied here. So just click on continuous here so that you can continue our dimension. Click here, we are continuing our dimension lines. Click, click, and click. After that, the second line is also for the external and windows and doors dimension. So click here, can paste it here, click again, you do the porch. Okay, so let's get this thing done. Okay, so same applies here. Okay, so let's get this thing done. Okay, continuous, click, click, and click again. Okay, so we are doing this. Let's do this together. The third one is also for the inside to inside dimension. So as you can see the way I did it, click, click here, click, click, click here, click here, click here, and here. So you are done for the inside to inside dimension. After that, you go to the outside dimension, which is the overall dimension. So you start from here, from the porch side to this porch side. So here's it. We are done. So let's do the interior dimension. That one too. Click here, drag it here, and vertical. We did the vertical first, so here's the horizontal one. Click. We are done. You do the same thing, or you apply the same thing in any room. As you can see the way I'm doing it. Okay, because of time, let's continue with our grid lines. Okay, so here we are about to do the circles on the grid line. So we just click on this circle, click here, and enter your preferred dimension. So I mostly use 300, so let's use 300. Type in 300, press on the enter key. See the size is okay. Remove it. Please note this. When you are moving any object or any object or any substance, you need to hold a point that will be easier for you. So let's hold this point and come paste it here. Okay, so after that, then we go to annotate for our test. Click on annotate, come here, click here, drag, click here. Okay, so let's change our number from 2.50 to 4 or to 5. 4.0. Okay, enter. Then let's press on the keyboard 1. So as you can see, the 1 is not the way we like it, so we clean it. Come here, come change the text from romance to romantic. Okay, so we click and we press on 1 again. Okay, so we click on anywhere or any blank space. After that, then remove the one to the middle of the circle. Highlight here, copy this one, paste it here, here and here. Okay, so let's edit our text. You click here on the text you want to edit, then you type in ed, press on the enter key, highlight it, press 2 here, 3 here, 4, and the last one just 5. Okay, so we are done with the grid lines in interior and exterior dimension. Please, because of time, so I can't do all of this. Please try to do all of this. But we are done. As you can see, you do the same thing here, front side, left side, and the back side too. So we are done, as you can see. So I just clean this one, press E to erase, or press on the delete key, then it will delete for you. Press enter. Okay, so we are done. After this, you do all the dimensions outside and inside, then you are done and you are free to go. As you can see, it's so easy and simple. Please hit on the subscribe button and subscribe so you can get any video of mine. Thank you.